Bye bye, hot sun, shining very bright. Yes sir, all day and all night. The trucks feel very tired, working in the heat. They wait for cowboys' help on the dusty street. Bye bye, little trucks, can you work today? No sir, it's too hot to play. The sun is very strong, the air is warm and dry. The trucks are feeling sleepy under the sunny sky. Cowboy comes to see them and asks, what should we do? The trucks all tell Cowboy, we are counting on you. Cowboy gets an idea and smiles happily. Let's build a movie theater for everyone to see. Bow, bow, busy trucks, can you help today? Yes sir, we are on our way. One job for the forklift, one job for the crane, one job for the mixer truck, working in the sun again. The forklift carries cement carefully and slow. It loads the waiting dump truck, ready now to go. The pump truck brings materials across the building site. Everyone is helping, everything feels right. The bulldozer pushes dirt back and forth all day, making smooth foundations for the theater's place. The crane truck lifts the frames up into the sky, higher and still higher, reaching way up high. The mixer truck spins around, round and round and round, then pours the fresh concrete onto the ground. Walls begin to rise up, piece by piece they grow. The movie theater gets bigger, more than they could know. Bye bye, movie theater, are you finished now? Yes sir, look at me somehow. The roof is standing proudly, the doors are open wide. Cowboy and the truck friends smile with lots of pride. Later, Cowboy goes fishing beside a little lake, but the weather is still very hot, so he takes a little break. There are no shady trees anywhere around, only bright sunshine upon the dry ground. Cowboy calls the excavator, come and help me please. Then he calls the water truck, let's plant some lovely trees. The excavator digs holes, one by one in line, ready for the baby trees, growing strong and fine. The water truck splashes water onto every tree, helping little branches grow happy and free. Day by day they grow taller, reaching for the sky. Soon they make cool shadows for everyone nearby. Bye bye, little trees, do you like to grow? Yes sir, watch our branches grow. One shade for the